recording it?
Yeah, now I am. There you go, buddy. Alright. Oh my god. There's like a whole gang of them, like right there. This bird's coming out of every... Hey, friend.
One got stuck
Oh god.
in its wing. Look, one got stuck in its wing. You see it?
Wow, this is a lot of pigeons. Like,
a lot of your friends.
yeah, I have a lot of friends. I need to add these guys on Facebook.
Hey.
Hey, friend. Hey, buddy. Why are you running away? Ah. There you go, friend.
Damn it.
Just hit me with the French fry. Hey, friend. How did you hit me with the French fry? Yeah, I don't think they like the ketchup. He's like, what the? How am I gonna tackle this
He's
shit?
like, is that blunt? He's like, yeah, no, I'm not gonna eat that.
They can't eat whole French fries. You know that, right? What the heck? A squirrel just came out of nowhere. Oh god! Stupid squirrel.
He got scared.
Yeah, because it's just like red.
He's like, oh god.
Freaking squirrel.
I'm gonna pee in my pants. Oh Lord, that was funny. You're like, oh god.
Oh, there's another one of my friends. I don't know if he...
It's funny how it bounced back.
Dude, the squirrel came out of nowhere, like...
He's like, French fries! Dinner time!
Whoa. That pigeon just...
Where'd the squirrel go?
over there somewhere. Oh god, another one of my friends.
No, that's the one that hasn't eaten.
Has? Look at it.
Hasn't. Oops.
He's too fat to go off of the table.
Wait.
Yeah, they're about to get pissed. Let me